This is day 3 of learning guitar every single day. I feel like we're making pretty good progress. Another thing I realized, there's a capo this whole time, and I never added it. So today we got one in there. Maybe it'll sound much better. Who knows? This is gonna be me playing and see how far I can get. Let's just hope for the best.